Hello everyone, today we are going to see an eye look using the Holiday Glam Mini Shadow Sense collection. This is released a while ago. I was waiting to do my first impression on that. So it comes with this beautiful ornament ready for gifting, and it came with three different Shadow Sense colors, and they are minis. So they are like perfect for not only gifting it, even if you are a like a beginner, or even if you need to add new colors to your collection. These are perfect and they can work for any skin tone. So here we have one matte and two shimmer colors. So one is hot chocolate, which is the matte, and we have Celebrate shimmer and also Rose Glam shimmer. So let's go by one. First one is obviously the hot chocolate, which I'm going to use as a crease color. This will pair with pretty much anything. Whenever they have, I'm going to use it in my crease. While using, I will talk about the product too. This is a deep matte brown, so that way it is perfect addition for your Shadow Sense collection, because brown will pretty much go with any shade. Like for example, it can go as a individual shade, as a single layer, but pretty much you can mix it with pinks, greens, browns. Like there are like tons of ways to use the product, and you can see how well the color blends. So here I'm taking it as a crease color, and also I'm blending it in the outer corner. So if you want it to be really light, you can see this is like just one layer of the color. If I'm going to go over one more, because as I want the color to show up a little more, but it's up to you on how much you want the color to show up. You can always really blend well. You can either do, this is called a windshield wiper motion, so you can either do this, or you can use like a small circular motions. Anyway, blending is the key here. Make sure you really blend well, so that it doesn't look streaky at all. And with Shadow Sense, it comes with anti-aging benefits, and also make sure you take a tiny amount of product and then add if you need more. I'm going to take the same brown in my lower lashes too. I know this is such a perfect gift for even teens. I have many customers whose teen kids love to do makeup. In that case, these colors will not only work perfect, and also the sizing is really nice. That way it is not like so much product, but they will be still able to use, and the product comes with a great quality. So that way you are introducing them to a nice product to start with, and they will really enjoy how it stays all day, and they can explore mixing and matching all those stuff. The next one is obviously Rose Glam shimmer. If you know me, I love rose gold. That's my favorite all the time. So this is such a wonderful color to have in your hand. If you already have the rose gold, here I'm going to use it as my all over lid shade. If you already have the rose gold glitter, then you can imagine how pretty it's going to be. I'm starting a very light layer, and I'm using it as a all over lid shade here. Anytime when it has shimmer, I like to work in a smaller what is it, like a amount to work with, because if you take a lot, then it will be too much to blend on, and this way I can control how much I need, and I can always what is it, like I can always go back and add more. So that is the key with Shadow Sense. If you are new, always take a very small amount and make it blend with the previous color, and then add as much you want. And it's such a pretty shade. You can use it in multiple ways. You can use it as a blush color, you can use it on your lips, you can use it as a highlighter, and there are plenty of ways to do. Similar way, hot chocolate you can use as your eyeliner shade too. So any of the Shadow Sense colors, you can always use it as your eyeliner color, and you can use it as a blush, concealer, highlighter. You can use it in your lips as a lip color too. I'm going to take the brown, the holiday what to say, like the hot chocolate brush, and I'm going to blend where the two colors meet. This is just makes the colors seamlessly blend well. You don't have to have a product in the brush. This is just for blending. You can even use a clean brush too, but this is a way that you can make sure that the two colors blend really well. Last one is Celebrate Shimmer. Here I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight. So but if you see both the colors, for example, you can do Celebrate Shimmer wherever I used the hot chocolate, not the hot chocolate, the rose glam. You can use Celebrate Shimmer as your all over lid shade too. Similar way you can use hot chocolate with Celebrate Shimmer, and even just two of the glitters alone. So all three can work individually and also on combined any two together, or like this any three together. And I'm also going to use this in my brow bone highlight. So for that I'm going to take this, and how you do is you will just use it in your outer corner, because this way whenever you turn it's going to highlight it and it's going to have that shimmer around. So now that we finished eye look, I still have to do eyeliner and mascara. I'll finish it, but I'm going to also show how I'm going to use the Rose Glam as my blush shade. So here I have applied, and I'm just going to blend it really well. It's going to be a nice pink shade. I know it's like such a good highlighter come blush shade, so it will blend really well. Since like Shadow Sense is an all day wear, this is going to stay all day with anti-aging benefits. Do you see how pretty the color looks? So that's the color I'm going to wear as blush, and I'm going to add the Celebrate Shimmer as my highlight color. So on top of my blush, I'm just adding it in my cheekbone. I think if you see my pearlizer video, you can pretty much use it wherever you use the pearlizer. So you can use it on top of your nose, the places wherever you feel like you want to highlight. You can use it in multiple ways. So for example, you can use the same color in your inner nose, and all these places will get highlighted with the shimmer. So let me finish the look with an eyeliner and mascara and show you guys the whole look. I did finish my eyeliner and mascara, but one more thing I wanted to show. Even though I did Starry Sky on top, I wanted to show you guys can still use this in your waterline too. Since we have used it in our lower waterline, you can still use hot chocolate in your inner eyes too. So that's another thing. Similar way you will be able to use it in your top waterline too. So this is another use of the hot chocolate. So there are always plenty of ways for one product in Senegens. So that's the whole look using the Holiday Glam Mini Shadow Sense collection. You can see all three colors. I have used it in multiple ways. As I said, you will still be able to get much use of it, and these products not only stay all day, but it's water resistant and smudge resistant and comes with anti-aging, and they will last you so long. Like each of this tube will be at least, I would say, 6 months or more, even if you use every single day. That's how much product is there. I hope you liked it. See you all in another video.